High-ticket affiliate programs aren't just about making money. They're about making serious money while promoting brands that actually help your audience. Imagine earning 1,000 plus per sale just by recommending the right tools. Sounds good, right? Well, grab a cup of coffee or something stronger because I'm about to break down the best high-ticket affiliate programs across multiple industries. And don't forget, if you want your affiliate emails to convert like crazy, grab my free affiliate email software in the description box below. 1. Web hosting and website services. These programs pay big because businesses need reliable hosting and they're willing to invest in the best. WP Engine, earn 200 plus per sale with potential bonuses. Kinsta, up to 500 per referral plus 10% recurring commissions. Liquid Web, up to 7,000 per sale. Yes, really. Flywheel, competitive commissions with bonus incentives. Pro tip, focus on niche hosting providers that cater to enterprise clients. Their high-end plans or higher commissions for you. 2. Digital marketing and SEO tools. SEO and marketing tools are must-haves for businesses looking to grow, and they pay well for referrals. SEMrush, make up to $200 per sale plus $10 for trial activations. HubSpot, earn up to $1,000 per sale plus 30% recurring commissions. Ahrefs, invite only, but if you get in, big payouts await. Moz, lower per sale, but strong recurring income potential. Pro tip, create simple tutorials showing how these tools increase traffic and revenue. People buy when they see results. 3. E-commerce platforms. E-commerce is booming, and these platforms offer massive commissions. Shopify, up to $2,000 per referred customer through your affiliate link. BigCommerce, high commissions based on the subscription level. Premium WooCommerce themes and extensions. Bundling premium add-ons are big earnings. Pro tip, share real-world success stories of businesses that exploded using these platforms. Nothing sells like proof. 4. Online education and courses. People love learning new skills, and premium courses mean big affiliate commissions. Amazing Selling Machine, up to $1,000 per sale. Authority Hacker, over $1,000 per sale. Kajabi, recurring commissions on premium pricing plans. Teachable, Thinkific, standard commissions, but enterprise packages worth more money. Pro tip, use long-form content, reviews, video tutorials, or webinars to build trust and boost conversions. 5. Sales and marketing tools. These tools help businesses make more sales, so they pay high commissions to affiliates. ClickFunnels, earn up to $1,000 per sale on an excellent product. Kartra, tiered commissions that reward long-term customers. Lead Pages, strong commissions for premium add-ons. Pro tip, live demos or walkthroughs show people exactly how these tools boost conversion rates. More proof, righteous, more sales. 6. Financial services and investment tools. Finance companies love big spenders, and their affiliate programs reflect that. Capitalist exploits, earn over $1,000 per sale. Investment platforms and trading services, high commissions for premium plans. Financial software suites, premium pricing, sharp big affiliate payouts. Pro tip, financial products need trust. Use testimonials and real-life case studies to convince people. 7. Proxy and VPN services. Online privacy is a big deal, and businesses pay big money for premium proxy VPN services. Smart Proxy, make up to $2,500 for high-value referrals. Bright Data, formerly Luminati, enterprise-level commissions. Oxy Labs, another trusted high-paying proxy provider. Pro tip, use technical reviews and performance comparisons to show why one service is better than the rest. 8. Online business platforms and SaaS products help businesses scale, and their affiliate programs are super lucrative. Kajabi, recurring commissions on high-ticket memberships. Kartra, rewarding affiliates with long-term customers. Builderall, pays recurring commissions, so one sale earns long-term income. Entreport, tiered commissions on high-value plans. Pro tip, use case studies to show how these platforms streamline business operations. 9. Business productivity and project management tools. Businesses need organization, and these tools pay well for referrals. Monday.com, big payouts for enterprise clients. Asana, commissions on premium plan signups. ClickUp, pays when businesses upgrade to premium subscriptions. Pro tip, target small to medium businesses. They're more likely to invest in better project management tools. Pro tips for high ticket affiliate success. Quality over quantity. Target the right audience, not just anyone. Build trust. Create in-depth reviews, testimonials, and comparisons. Diversify channels, use blogs, email, social media, and video for max reach. Stay updated. The affiliate world changes fast. Stay ahead of trends. Make your affiliate emails 10 times more engaging for free. Grab my free affiliate email software. The link is directly below in the video description box.